Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning in to the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we are back at Publix this week about to get into some of the best deals that you can do this week. So y'all know how I do. We're not going to waste any time. Let's jump right into it. The first deal I did already was on the Old Spice deodorant. These are $5.99 this week, but when you buy two, you are going to save $2 instantly at the register. So after the $5.99 pricing plus the $2 sale, you end up paying $9.98 for two. But then we have a $3 digital coupon that brings it down to $6.98 for two. After you pay the $6.98, you can submit over to Ibotta for $5 in cash back, bringing your final cost to just 99 cents each in store. These also track for our stocking spree, so when you spend 50, you'll get back 10, so it makes them a little bit cheaper after stocking spree. I purchased my Old Spice deodorant with these Always Discreet pads because these are a $2 moneymaker. Since the Old Spice is 99 cents each, I wanted something that would cover the cost of that. So you pick up two of these for $5.99 a piece, and you will save $2 instantly for each one. So it makes them $3.99 each. I also had $3 manufacturer coupons that made them 99 cents each. If you don't have insert coupons, you can also use the 5 off of 2 digital. With the $3 coupons, you pay out $1.98 at the register, but then you get back $4 from Ibotta, making two of these completely free, plus a $2 moneymaker. So buying this with the Old Spice, your total for all 4 items is $8.98, but then you're going to get back $9 from Ibotta for both items, making your total cost for all 4 completely super free. And my cashier had to manually put in my digital coupon for the Old Spice, but there's nothing wrong with that digital coupon. It comes off just fine. She just had to put it in because she voided the first transaction, and when she did that, it voided my original digital coupon, so she put it in manually to replace it the second time. This next deal is a super moneymaker on the Tina pads, and I got this from Kayla Coupons over on Instagram. You guys, this deal is $6.83 in overage, so it can really help your grocery total this week. So what you want to do is pick up 3 of the Tina pads. These are $6.39 each. We have double, well really triple coupon savings because we have $4 manufacturer coupons on coupons.com. We have $3 store coupons in the extra savings flyer. And then we also have the 5 off of 15 Johnson's digital coupon that comes off as well. So enter in those paper coupons and then type in your phone number at the register, you guys. That is $26 in coupons for $19.17 in product, giving you a grand total of $6.83 in overage. Next deal I'm grabbing is on the Calivia Farms. We have a $1 Merrifield rebate on the unsweetened variety, but I'm actually going to get the vanilla because I'm going to be using this for my smoothies. And so I'll end up paying $2.20 for one. But if you want to buy the unsweetened variety and then submit over for $1 back, you can grab one of these for just $1.20. The Fayette sour cream is on sale for $2.50. We have $1 back on Ibotta, making it just $1.50. Once again, the Too Good smoothies are an easy freebie if you have the $1 rebate. These are buy one, get one free for $1.89, so you can pick up 2 for $1.89, and then we have $1 back on each one, making these free plus an 11-cent moneymaker. So an easy freebie that you can grab. You can get up to 5 in half BOGO or up to 4 in true BOGO. Another deal I'm going to grab this week, but I'm going to grab it a little bit later because I want to use Matt's account because we actually have different rebates. So if you have this $2 rebate, you are in luck this week. These are on sale for $3.49 each because they're $6.99 BOGO. With that $2 rebate, these are only $1.49 a piece. Now, if you're like me and you have the 75 cents rebate, not as good of a deal, but definitely check to see which one you have, because if you have the $2, this is definitely a stock-up price. We still have this deal on the Illy coffee that was going on a couple weeks ago that I talked about. If you did not stock up back then, you can definitely grab this now. So this is a Shopkick deal. These are on sale for $10.19. We have $7.08 back on one on Shopkick, making your final cost for this coffee only $3.11. Next deal I'm grabbing is on the Eggland's Best hard-boiled eggs. We have been stocking up on the eggs, y'all. between Kroger and Publix. So these are full price this week. They are $3.39. If you have no coupons, you can pick up two of these for $6.78 and then submit over to Swagbucks for $3. Submit over to Checkout 51 for $2.18, so $1.09 on each bag. That would make your final cost for two bags just $1.60 each, or 80 cents each. I added in the 50-cent coupons into this deal, so I ended up paying 30 cents per bag after those coupons. Next deal I'm grabbing is on the Ritz toasted chips and the Publix dip. So I'm going to pick up both of these products. I'm going to start out by grabbing the dip. This is $6.69. And then the family size bags of toasted chips are on sale 2 for $8. So my total for all three items is going to be $14.69. Digitally loaded to my account, I have a Publix coupon that will pay for the dip and take off $6.75. That'll bring my total down to $7.94. And then on Ibotta, I have two different offers. I have one for the toasted chips and then one for any Ritz product. Both of those should attach to this deal, giving me $5 back, making my final cost for all three items just $2.94, or 99 cents each. If you don't have both of these offers on Ibotta, if you only have one, then what you want to do is only buy one bag of the Ritz toasted chips instead of two. Your cost will be the same. Your cost will be $2.94 for two products instead of three. My store is already sold out of these sparkle paper towels, but these are huge packs this week, and this is a decent deal if you do need paper towels. I don't need any, so I wasn't planning on buying them, but I definitely wanted to show them to you guys. So after the buy one, get one free sale, these are $8.49 per pack, and we have $1.50 back on Ibotta. So that'll make the final cost just $6.99 per pack. It is time to prep for the holidays, so it's time to get stocked up on pasta, especially if you make macaroni and cheese. So the Mueller's pasta is buy one, get one free. They're $1.79 for two, but we have 40 cents back on Ibotta, which makes each box just 49 cents after the rebate, with a limit of 5. Next thing I'm grabbing is the 4-pack of White Cloud Kleenex. So these are $5.29 for the 4-pack. And we have a $2.50 digital coupon that makes the 4-pack just $2.79. So that'll make each one of these individual boxes just 69 cents each. Next item I'm grabbing is two of these 8-packs. Only the Schweppes ginger ale works for this coupon, but these are $7.99 this week, and they're buy one, get one free. Again, we are prepping for the holidays, so it's time to get stocked up on these drinks. So each one of them is $3.99 after the sale, but after this 2 off of 2 digital coupon that's working on these will be just $2.99 each, which is a great price for these, down from $7.99 a pack. Another deal I did separately, because I really wasn't sure how this was going to work out, and I know that a lot of people might not have these same coupons that I have, is for the Body Armor IV, but I just want to show you guys what I did in case you did pick up these coupons where they were available. So there used to be like a little display with some hang tags for this Body Armor IV, and they're buy one, get one free. I have a few of these left in my stash, so I decided to pick up a total of 4 of these. 4 of these total up to $10. Now, the reason I wanted to use these coupons now is because we got a brand new digital that's buy 2, get 1 free, and I also had a 50-cent digital. Now, I wasn't sure how that was all going to work at the register with these 2 buy 1, get 1 free coupons, but it actually worked out beautifully, you guys. So 4 of them cost $10. My 2 paper coupons for buy one, get one free came off, but then my 2 digitals came off as well, giving me a total of $8 in savings, making these only 50 cents each. So this is everything that I'm grabbing at Publix today. Only going to be using a few different coupons as far as paper coupons, and then everything else is digital and loaded onto my account, or will be submitting back from Ibotta. So I'm going to go up and check out now. We're going to see how this goes. So everything went beautifully at Publix this week. This was such an easy week. I'm actually like happy that there wasn't a whole lot going on this week, because this is one of the quicker trips for me. Usually I'll be at Publix all day, y'all. So I'm actually happy to get a break so I can do some other things today. This was only $39 after all of my digitals came off. And then I got back $15.75 from Ibotta. I got back $6 instantly from Swagbucks. I got back my $4 from Checkout 51. So that makes my final cost for this entire haul, you guys, only $12.89. So not a bad week at the pub. Let me know if you have any questions. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you have not already. I would love to have you here. As always, you guys, I thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.